I just get a big fish on and the thing quits on me, so there you go. And he's already unhooked and everything, so alright. That'll wake you up. This is a big one. He is fat. Chunky guy. Hit on that Rapala floater. Easy. Got him. Friggin' thing. God, I'm getting frustrated here. I'm mad. Oh, I'm mad, folks. This is probably the maddest anybody's seen me, but look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Camera. Throw you in the water here in a second. What? Oh, my God. Are you serious? Stay up. Oy. Look at that. Chunk. I'm saying that's a 3. No, not quite a 3, probably 2 3/4. Nice. Chunky. Smallmouth bass. Look at that. He is thick though. Look at the girth on him. I mean, what? 5 inches? It's a good fish. It's a fine fish, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. I'm gonna let him go. And there he goes. I'll get the light back into him. Early this morning fishing. Caught a big one. Didn't even have my net out or anything. And that old tripod of mine. God, I hate that thing. The hook's out of the net here, which is really easy with this net because it's made of rubber. Whoa. Big bug. Alright. There we go. Hooks out of that net. Up behind me. We're ready to go. Decent smallie. Right around that island there, that's the place to go. Sometimes. It depends on the day. The day is hot already. Coming up to a little islandish sort of thing, but it's not quite an island. God, I hope I got that on camera, that big fish jumping. I hope I got that on camera. I really do. That would be awesome. I got one? Nope. Thought I did. I'm getting hits in here anyways. Right on this topwater lure. It's early in the morning. Well, not right early, but early enough. I'm starting to wake up here. There's one. Oh, he flipped off, but that was a decent one. everywhere and around here. Ooh. False hook though. And for those of you who don't know what a false hook is, or false hooking, it's when you hook your own line with your hooks on, with the treble hooks on your lure. It's kind of a pain, but you can work around it. Man. Today is definitely a short day. I don't have shorts on, I have jeans. And let me tell you, I'm feeling the heat right now. And they're jumping everywhere in here. And this little shoal. During the first of the year, this whole place is submerged, and it's a great little spot for fishing. But later on in the year, when it starts to get hotter, it turns into sort of like an island. It's right out here, right in the middle of the lake, and I tell you, there's some big fish out here. See if I can get it hooked up with a big one right here. Jeez, I got one. I used to. Didn't even know he hit until I twitched it, and right at the peak of the twitch, he hit it. Couldn't quite get the hook set. There's one. Whoa. This is a decent one. Not quite as big as the last one, but still decent. Whoa. Oh, he almost took me in the crotch. Ooh. Alright, that was my fault. That wasn't the tripods, in case you're wondering. Decent little smallie. Not quite as big as that last one, but still pretty good size. And if the camera falls, it's my fault. It's my fault. Alright. You know what? I'm going to get this geared up, and we'll be back with more fishing action to come.